Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can download some fonts that you can use with your projects in Photoshop. So this is a lovely website, daffont.com, and there are lots and lots of fonts, lots of types of fonts. It's up to you what you want and what you're looking for. So I'm just going to the main website and recently added fonts, so I'm going for, I don't know, I'll go for this one here. So this one here, all I have to do is click download, then it will tell me to open with WinRAR, or click OK, and I'll just close that. All I have to do is double click on it and install. And what we'll do is, not only it will install on your Photoshop, but also in other programs you use in your machine. So this should be done. So I'm going back to Photoshop, can't remember the name now actually. So 13, so Photoshop and 13 personal use. There you go. We have this font right here. I'm going to double click and apply it. Obviously now it's too big, so double click on it and I'll just make it smaller. Like so. There you go. Super easy, super cool, and there are many different fonts that you can use. And I've installed the other day one that is graffiti. I can't find it here, but I can always search, so I can go graffiti. And I actually downloaded this one here. It looks very cool. It's for a little project I'm doing, and there is many and you can have lots of fun with. And that's it for now. Super short video, but I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with everyone you know, family, and even to those you don't know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.